Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add My Bupa Card to the Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, before even adding your card, you will need an active Bupa membership. Also, you need to make sure that you have the My Bupa application installed and updated on your iPhone. Now, this application is required because Apple Wallet integrations works via the app only. So first of all, you need to open your My Bupa application on your phone, then simply log in into your account. Inside it, you just have to go to your membership card section. Here you are going to see the information about your insurance card. So when you are able to see the digital version of your card, you just have to simply look for this particular option underneath it that says Add to Apple Wallet. Now, when you are able to find this particular option, simply tap on it. Then you are going to see the review or the details of your card. So you need to review them and tap on the option of add on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to confirm and follow further instructions in order to basically add or save your Bupa card to your Apple Wallet. And once it is done, it will be ready for use. So in order to use it, simply open your Apple Wallet, then select your Bupa card inside it. After that, you can tap your phone at the supported terminals like HICAPS to claim it easily. So if you don't see this particular add to Apple Wallet option, it simply means that the integration is not possible. It may be specific for your region or it may not be supported yet. So in that case, you can either log out or log back in and you can check whether the region supports this feature. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.